How's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make the best panini you've ever eaten. So first ingredient you'll need is cheese. Second ingredient you'll need is bread. Don't need this unless you're crazy, but you do need these. So now you have to build the panini. So you're going to take your bread, put it side by side, unpackage your cheese, you're going to place it right in the middle so it disperses evenly through the sandwich. And then you're going to take that last piece of bread, squish it on top. Okay, so now you need your pan. I'm only cooking for one, so I don't need a huge pan. We're going to use this one. So you basically want to cook this thing as fast as you can. Fast food is good food. Like at McDonald's and Taco Bell, they're doing it right. So you want to crank that dial all the way up. Okay, so now that you have your pan piping hot, you're gonna want to throw your panini in it. Oh wait, Gordon Ramsay was pissed if he knew I wasn't gonna wash my food before I cooked it. Okay, so you want to start it off by turning your sink on. You want it ice cold. You can start with hot water. It's gonna cook the panini before you even throw it in the pan. You're gonna want to start gently scrubbing the top of the panini. Then you want to open it up. Scrub the cheese just to make sure you get all the germs off. Do both sides. Now that you successfully washed your panini, you want to squeeze out majority of the water. You're not going to get all of it, so don't worry about that. Right, so now it's ready to go in the pan. Okay, so now that you've washed it, you just want to slap it on the pan. It's going to do the rest for you.
5 minutes later.
Honestly, it's not cooking fast enough for me, so I'm gonna go and grab my flipper. Alright, so now that I have my flipper, you're gonna squeeze on top, and it'll cook that other side so much faster. So I think now it's ready to flip. God, this flipper sucks. Oh.
Dude, that looks like garbage.
Yo, cut it.
Man, turn the fan up. Okay, dude, like, how many times do you gotta do this? This is the 37th time.
Just relax, relax.
Like, we don't have any more bread.
Alright, I have a plan.
What?
You'll see.
Guys, is something burning? My pen!
Dude, where are you going?
I'm going to Timmy's.
Why are we going to Timmy's?
Because I need to get a panini.
Panini for what?
For the video. Just get in the car.
Okay. Man, I can't believe you drove us all the way here.
What else was I supposed to do? I burnt the last piece of bread and cheese that we had, and we need a panini for the video.
We could have just bought more bread and cheese, man.
I'm not wasting any more money on loaves of bread and pieces of cheese. I'm just gonna do this.
You ordering a panini?
Yeah, shh.
Thank you for choosing Thornton's. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a grilled cheese panini, please?
Absolutely. Anything else for today?
Do you want anything?
No.
No, that's all. Thanks.
5:30, please.
Perfect. Thanks so much. See? That easy.
Man, I can't believe we went all the way to Tim Hortons. I just feel wrong about doing this, man.
Man, it's okay. Just trust me. They're not gonna notice.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now that it's done, you're gonna turn your stovetop off. You're gonna take your panini. You're just gonna slide it onto a plate. Like that. You're gonna get a knife. And you're gonna cut it right down the middle. Okay, so next step, you're gonna wanna garnish. So you'll need one of these brushes and you're gonna need a torch. Okay, so first off, you're gonna wanna lather it in butter. You just wanna make sure you get all that butter on there, or margarine, you know, whichever one you prefer. And then after you get that butter on there, you want to make sure you char it with the torch. You just want it nice and crispy. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's so nice. Voila, there's your perfect panini. Last but not least, to pair it up with your favorite cold beverage. You know, you can make one of these for your first date or maybe your wife of 10 years. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Cheers. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button. Let us know how your panini turned out in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Also like us on Facebook and give us a follow on Twitter for updates on upcoming videos. The links will be in the description below. See you later.